Imagine you're stranded by a dead battery and feeling anxious about how to get your car started. This portable device acts as your reliable helper by combining a powerful jump starter with an air compressor. The jump starter boasts a robust 21,800 mAh battery and 600 VA output to quickly revive your car's battery. Using it is simple. Attach the clamps to your car battery, and the device delivers the energy needed to start the engine. The built-in LCD screen guides you step by step, showing clear instructions and safety warnings. It also features an air compressor that lets you inflate tires, easing additional worries about flat tires. Every function is designed to be user-friendly even if you have zero technical background. I understand the stress of car troubles, and this tool is made to give you confidence and peace of mind. Just follow the on-screen prompts, and you'll be back on the road safely and quickly. Additionally, if you ever feel overwhelmed, remember that this all-in-one device is built specifically to simplify your emergency situation, ensuring you're supported every step of the way. Find the link in the comments to get yours.